Hello dear fans. What are gene mutations? Mutations can be genetic, chromosomal, or genomic. All of them, to one degree or another, affect the genotype and affect the life of the organism or subsequent generations. Mutagenic factors significantly increase the likelihood of mutations. Gene mutations. The most common are gene, or point, mutations. They represent a substitution of a nucleotide within one gene for another, wrong nucleotide. This happens when, during DNA reduplication before cell division, instead of the complementary nitrogenous base, adenine, thymine, guanine to cytosine, the wrong combination is adjusted to the nucleotide, for example, adenine, cytosine or thymine, guanine. This is how mutations appear, which are passed on to the next generations of cells, and if we are talking about germ cells, gametes, then to the next generation of organisms. In most cases, gene mutations lead to unfavorable changes, because tainted genes encode proteins with a distorted structure that cannot perform their functions in the body. Chromosomal mutations. When a mutation affects multiple genes within a chromosome, the mutation is called chromosomal. This can be the detachment of the terminal part of the chromosome, loss, excision of the middle fragment, deletion, duplication of the region, duplication, unfolding of the fragment by 180 degrees, inversion. During translocation, which is also one of the types of chromosomal mutations, a portion of the chromosome is attached to another, non-homologous to it. Why chromosomal mutations occur? Chromosomal mutations usually occur during cell division. With unequal crossing over, for example, one of the homologous chromosomes may lose any genes at all, and the other may acquire extra ones. Which of the chromosomal mutations are the most dangerous? The most dangerous of chromosomal mutations are deletion and loss. The loss of the terminal part of chromosome 21 causes a person to develop acute leukemia, which leads to death. The consequences of a deletion range from death and severe hereditary diseases to no disturbances at all, if a fragment is lost that does not carry information about the properties of the organism. Genomic mutations. The most large-scale are genomic mutations, when there is no chromosome in the genotype or, on the contrary, there is an extra one. This can happen if there is an incorrect discrepancy, or non-disjunction, of chromosomes during the formation of gametes in meiosis. So, non-disjunction of the 21st chromosome in a woman's egg, in the event of her fertilization, causes Down syndrome in the child. Thanks for watching.